Hi, good day po, sir. Nag-retire ang mama ko ng 2020. After 5 years pa siya magpe-pension, 2025. Namatay siya ng 2022. May makukuha po ba, sir? Kasi sa 2025 pa naman, magpe-pension dapat. Well, friends, ito yung tanong ng ating viewer sa Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about GSIS pensioner na nag 5-year lump sum, then namatay na po. I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. All right? Are you ready, friends, to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Paano kung mamatay si GSIS pensioner after sa 5-year lump sum? Answer? Well, kung namatay na po si GSIS pensioner after naka 5-year lump sum po siya, so ang mangyari po nito is kung kailan siya matapos sa 5-year na lump sum niya, yung spouse po niya or legal spouse or asawa, may benefit po sa GSIS na ang tawag ay survivor's pension. Opo, 50% sa pension ng namatay na member, GSIS member, ay yan po ang monthly pension, lifetime pension ni legal spouse or asawa. On the other hand, kung may anak po si GSIS member na namatay or GSIS pensioner na namatay, minor age po, meron ding what we call dependence pension. So, 10% sa monthly pension po ni GSIS pensioner ang matatanggap po niya up to majority age po ng bata. So, ang gawin po ninyo, sir or ma'am, na legal spouse sa namatay na GSIS pensioner, punta kayo sa GSIS branch at mag-apply nito. Merong mga checklist of requirements, i-comply nyo lang po sa GSIS office. And after evaluating your documents, certainly ma-approve po yan ni GSIS. So, importante na may death certificate yung namatay na GSIS pensioner. And isa po yan sa mga basic requirements in filing the survivor's pension. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni sir or ni ma'am. So kung may question tayo, comments and suggestion, please write in our comment section below. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.